How to check if _str_ is implemented by an object. I want to dynamically implement _str_ method on an object if the object doesn't already implement it. I try using heteroach _str_. It always returns me true as it picks it up from object class. Is there a way to determine if an object actually implements _str_? I know I can use inspect.getMembersObj, but I am searching for a more Pythonic way. Edit. Test. I want to check that returns false instead of picking up the method inherited from object.
Since what you want to check is if it has _str_ implementation that is not the default object._str_. Therefore, you can do this. To check with instantiated objects, you need to check on the class. This will also work even if foo doesn't implement _str_ directly, but inherited it from another class than object, which seems to be what you want.
Any object inheriting from the object base will have a _str_ method, so testing if it exists is negligible. You could store a flag attribute on the object, and test for that instead.
Use type E _dict_.getMethod_name to avoid key error if method_name not exists in class when using type E. _dict_method_name.
It turns out that built-in types rely on object._str_ to do their smart formatting. I really only wanted to eliminate useless strings like _main_.foo object at 0 by 10299D390 and still have dict and other types printed properly. My solution. This won't catch default formatting of modules, functions, etc., for which source code could be shown instead via inspect.getSource, but I am not displaying them in my variable inspector anyway.